Hi! Hi! Welcome back to my channel! Kembali! Hi semua! Okay, I am back with another video. It is a natural everyday makeup. Okay, so when I say natural, betul-betul natural sangat-sangat, yang orang kata tak blusher tak over sangat. I punya natural makeup tak ada eyeshadow, so I ada teknik yang I boleh colorkan sikit I punya eyeshadow but without using any eyeshadow palette. So I love natural makeup. You still can see the skin, okay, and well, I have to cover a little bit of my blemishes, you know, I punya dark circle, so I can cover sikit. So I'm going to show you how I cover my dark circle. Yeah, why not? Let's go. We start now. You can moisturize your skin, cleanse, serum, moisturizer, and if you want to go for your primer, you can. But I just apply my serum, moisturizer, and also my sunblock. Then I will proceed with the corrector. Untuk corrector, I akan pakai this Bobbi Brown corrector in the coat dark peach. Kayu punya jari. Okay, and just cover so you can see. Alright, color dia warna orange. Kita akan cover dengan concealer lah. Okay, see, and I have a little bit redness here. I will just apply. A little bit here. Okay, lepas tu I akan cover dengan my Clio concealer. This one is in the coat. There's no, but if I'm not mistaken, it is code number 2 NY, something like that. I cannot remember, but this is the small one because Clio ada dua ya, ada satu size besar and satu size kecil. So size kecil ni dia punya corrector you boleh pilih yellow undertone ataupun neutral undertone. So I punya tak silap I N2N tak silap I. So yang ni I selalu akan pakai number 2. Okay, so itu yang paling cerah lah. Okay, dia ada number 2, number 3 and number 4. So you all boleh tengok lah apa yang sesuai dengan kulit you. Okay, so I akan cover yang mana I letak orange corrector tadi tu. Okay, like that, and then I will go in with my beauty blender. Okay, just blend slowly. Nampak tak? So all my dark circle dah pun hilang. Okay, okay, done. Lepas tu I akan pakai foundation. This is from NRC. It is a local brand, okay, from a makeup artist. So I akan pakai sikit sahaja. This is in the coat extra light. Untuk daily, it's up to you if you want to conceal highlight area. Okay, it's up to you. Kalau you nak, I letak sikit. Okay, macam tu je. Right, and then just blend. As you can see, look at that. Oh my god, I love this concealer. It is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, and then I just want to bronze, not want to have that contour, macam very harsh contouring. I will go in with the Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out Bronzer. Okay, it is their new collection. Yang ini code number 3, okay, Macchiato, code number 3. Alright, so I love this bronzer. It is very lightweight, dia sangat-sangat macam very soft on your skin. Okay, yang ini I akan apply dengan Fenty Beauty punya brush in the coat 125. Alright, so I will just slowly, look at that, how pretty. Nampak tak? Very soft. Okay, I will just this side. Look at that, so nice. And then a little bit here, I tak nak heavy sangat dekat sini, so I will just do that. Nampak tak? And then a little bit here. Okay, nak potong semua rendang-rendang tu. Kita masih raya kan, rendang-rendang semua tu kita potong lah. Okay, earlier I ada cakap I takkan pakai eyeshadow using any eyeshadow palette, but I will use this Fenty Beauty Cream. I akan just lightly contour my eyes. Okay, bagi dia macam ada warna sedikit, like that. See, you can see the mata I kan hooded, so when I do this, barulah mata I macam adalah terbuka sikit. Okay, and then a little bit here. Okay, contour kita punya hidung sikit, bronze kita punya hidung sikit. Nampak tak? I love this bronzer. Then untuk nak achieve look yang natural, I akan pakai blusher in the coat Petal Poppin number 02 from Fenty Beauty. Okay, this is the color. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's like pink, ada coral sikit, peachy macam tu. Okay, so I will still use the 125 Fenty Beauty brush. And then I just dab slowly. Nampak tu? Very natural. Macam you kena tampar macam tu. Tampar manja macam tu. Lepas tu tiba-tiba you blushing. Ataupun orang mengorat you, tiba-tiba you blushing. Macam tu lah. Kan pakai Laura Mercier loose powder in the coat translucent. So I will just apply my under eye dulu, and then bawa ke bawah. See, you boleh nampak lagi ya, the blusher is there, the bronzer is there. Okay, as you can see, I dah siapkan kening I. Kita akan proceed dengan mascara. Mascara I ada pakai dua. I suka doublekan, okay, sebab I punya bulu mata ni dia banyak tetapi dia sujud bumi. Dia turun ke bawah, dia bukan arah ke atas. So I suka pakai this two mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is Magnum Big Shot, alright, the yellow color. And then this is from Sasa. It is Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara. I think this is Heroin Make, nama brand dia. You boleh dapatkan daripada Sasa. Bulu mata I ni degil, so I memang akan curl 2-3 kali, kadang-kadang sampai 5 kali, sampailah I puas hati yang bulu mata I ni dah pun melentik, barulah I akan stop. Okay, I am done with my mascara. So now untuk blusher, I akan tambah sikit, okay, just a little bit. This Fenty Beauty bestnya dia boleh apply before and after powder, okay. Kalau you apply after powder pun dia tak ada masalah. Dia tak akan move you punya foundation ataupun you punya powder yang you dah set tadi. Okay, untuk lipstick I akan pakai Bobbi Brown. Okay, Bobbi Brown lipstick. This is in the coat Neutral Rose. go. Okay, so ini adalah colour dia, so pretty. Walaupun nampak kat sini dia macam gelap sedikit, tapi tak. Okay, colour dia cantik. Since you punya blusher, you tak pakai eyeshadow, okay, colour eyeshadow, and then you pakai blusher yang very soft macam ni. So when you go colour yang lebih deep sedikit, jangan terlalu plain sangat. So at least adalah macam orang kata pop sikit colour dekat you punya makeup tu, right? I akan pakai from Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. Okay, so I akan set with this spray. Yes, okay, so I am done with my natural everyday makeup. I'm loving it. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So I see you in my next video. Bye!